Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common issue with Whirlpool washers, the F29 error code from 2025 models. If your washer is flashing this code, don't panic. It's often something you can fix yourself with a few simple steps. Let's get right into it. First off, what does the F29 error mean? In Whirlpool washers, this code typically indicates a problem with the door lock mechanism or a communication error between the control board and the door switch. It might pop up if the washer thinks the door isn't securely locked, which can happen due to wear and tear or a minor glitch. Now, before you start troubleshooting, safety first. Make sure the washer is unplugged to avoid any electrical risks. Once that's done, let's check for the obvious causes. Start by inspecting the door lock assembly. Look for any visible damage, like a bent latch or debris around the door seal. Give it a gentle clean with a soft cloth and ensure nothing is obstructing the lock. If that doesn't solve it, try resetting your washer. This is super easy. Just unplug the machine for about a minute, then plug it back in and run a test cycle. Sometimes, a simple reset clears temporary errors. If the code persists, it could be a wiring issue or a faulty control board. In that case, you might need to use a multimeter to check for continuity in the wires connected to the door lock, but if you're not comfortable with that, it's time to call in a professional technician. Remember, attempting repairs yourself could void your warranty, so always refer to your user manual first. Upgrading to a newer model might be worth considering if this is a recurring problem, as 2025 Whirlpool washers have improved diagnostics. There you have it, your quick guide to fixing the F29 error code. If this helped, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more home appliance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.